Have you ever spent 3 days with sleepless nights, sweating, trolling, working on your machine just because you're trying to make a dress to finish a masterpiece only to feel sick when the client asks how much? You mumble a low price. You're scared they will run away or walk away and never come back. And you only end up making good enough, probably just to buy a lunch or a drink. But is it even worth it? I've been in your shoes. I've been there. In fact, at my early stage of starting, I've seen a lot. I've been through a lot, and yeah, I'm going to tell you that these things do not only shape me, but they changed the way I view things. They changed the way I see myself and the way I see my business in general. Thus, if you're tired of being a starving artist, we are handing that today. I'm giving you the exact formula, the exact pricing formula that you can use. I'm not gatekeeping. I'm giving you the realistic guide, the one I myself use, and yeah, it works. So I'm giving you the realistic guide to charge your clients what you are worth without apology, because passion doesn't pay the bill. The real business does that. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Isa, your fashion mentor and tutor. And yes, I call you those because you are the real MVP and it feels so worthwhile. It feels so beautiful taking on this journey with you all. I want to thank you, my returning subscribers, the ones who've been finding value in the things I bring here in the process of sharing my journey while growing and doing the things that I love, and also understanding that passion alone is not enough and trying to balance the mix. So if you've been here for a while, I want to say cheers to you, and I want you to know that I'm rooting for you and I wish you success. So I want us to grow together. We're doing that in a big way. On this channel, we don't just sew, we build brands. Listen to me. You're not just selling a piece of fabric with stitches. No, we're doing more than that. I want you to first understand this. I feel like this mindset has to change. If anything is going to change in your business in general. So you have to change the mindset of fabric cost when it comes to pricing. I want you to understand that it's not just the fabric. You're selling your time, your energy, your your knowledge, and the confidence that woman feels when she puts on your dresses. I want you to never forget that, because it has to start from the base first. Even if we're going to change anything, you have to still understand this mentality. If I give you all the formulas and you don't change your mindset about what you actually want or the way you see your brand, nothing is going to work. So that is why I'm starting with this basis. I want you to see your brand or the designs or the masterpiece that you make more than the fabric out of the box of the fabric itself. It is more than that. And I want you to never forget that. And please stop asking for permission to grow. If you want to grow and you want to feel different from a backyard tailor, you have to change some things. You have to do some things that is kind of different from what almost everybody does. And that is why I'm making this video. So we can change that together. I know you might want to put up the argument and you'll be like, Pfizer, this is the business that I'm living on. It is the business that pays my bill. If I keep on charging clients and they keep on walking away, how do I fund my business? How do I pay my bills? I want you to understand that they are not your clients. If you charge somebody and they leave, it's just data. It's proof that those people are not your target audience. They are not your customers. So I don't want you to feel scared about charging. Everything I share on this channel are as neutral and natural as it can ever be, because it is what I'm doing presently. It is what I'm going through. And in fact, it's not just about my past. Everything I'm sharing here includes my present reality. So any video I put here, I feel like if it happens to me and I got the inspiration, I'm like, okay, let me go tell my subscribers, let me go tell my Isa dolls these things, knowing that it will be of help to them. Of course, I'm going to bring it here. I remember some time ago, a subscriber, some of my beautiful Isa doll, made a comment about knowing how to charge a client. And I told her I'm going to make a video on that. I think I made this particular video then, yes, but I felt there is need to add some things to the things that I said there and, change some things. So if you want to check that video, you can go check it. Yeah, I want to advise you to check this first. You don't have to continue thinking like somebody will just make choices. You are a CEO. You are a boss on your own. And I want you to never forget that. Okay, get your pens out. Here is the formula. I'm going to get my pen and my books now. And we're going to do the calculation together. Anything I bring here are not just, words. I show you the exact thing. Okay. Now, if you want to charge somebody, you don't just call price. If you want to charge your clients, you don't just call price. The first thing you're going to want to do is to calculate the things that's going to go into the dress. Anything, anything to the smallest details. Now, let's do this. This is actually easy. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to write out the things that are going into the creation of the masterpiece. Let's say I want to make a straight gown for a client. And yeah, you all know if it is not a material that needs lining, if I don't have to add lining to the material, I won't add that. Okay, let's say it is a red-made gown and I'm using a lycra material. Currently in Nigeria, the price of a lycra material is of the range of 2,000 or 1,500 thereabout. So let's say 2,000 to be on the safer side because market keep fluctuating and you don't want to risk that. So let's say the price of the lycra is 2,000 naira and I'm going to be using 3 yards for the dress. Since I'm going to be using 3 yards, I'm going to multiply that by 3 times 3. So I'm going to be having 6,000 naira in total for the price of the lycra material. This is actually the price of the fabric. I'm going to write it fabric. Then the next thing I want to add is, let's say, the zipper. I'm going to add those ones as well. I'm going to write everything to the smallest detail. If I'm going to be using, of course, I'll use electricity. I'm going to add that. Like, I'm gonna hack that. If I have to go to the market to get some things like the transport, I'm gonna have that as well. Now, aside this layers, so some of these things that I actually mentions are like I categorize them under the tangibles. Now, aside that, we now have another aspect. We have another aspect that I call the label aspect. And this is where most people get it wrong. This is where most people fail because most people think that their time is free. No, if you work in a corporate setting, you're gonna understand what I'm trying to say. You're gonna understand me better. Yeah. If you are in a corporate setting, in case you don't know, you are being paid according to your time. I don't know, different firms have a way of calculating that for their workers. But I just want you to understand that you running your brand is like a business on its own. It's like a company on its own. You want to charge for your time as well. Yeah, that's because your time is not free. You all think it's free, but it's not. Please, I want you to understand that. Imagine spending like 10 hours on a dress. Let's say you made the dress for 10 hours and you want to charge less. Let's say you want to charge 20,000 naira for the dress. Like, why? Why would you even do that? Okay, if you are at the early stage, you can actually do that. I do that a lot too. Even till now, I still consider some things, but I only do those considerations when I finish calculating the tangibles, the labels. That's when I do those considerations. So that is like a clause on its own. But I want us to understand this basic because after removing the tangibles, the things you buy, you still want to add a separate money on that cost. And that's going to stand for your labor cost. Now, there's now something that most people don't really talk about. The few ones that talks about it don't really, I don't know, probably they don't like expatiate much on that. Because why do people still make this mistake? And this is basically the profit margin. The profit margin is basically the money that stays in the business. This money is the money that you can use later to probably get a bigger shop, or you want to get a better lighting to shoot content for your business, or you want to get a rack or things that can add to the aesthetics of your business. Now, where do you think this money comes from? It comes from this cost itself that we are calculating. Okay, now I want you to remember this three category. Okay, we have the tangibles, we have the labors, and of course, the business profits. I know maths can always be very stressful when you just want to solve, and this is why I created a kind of guide that it's already ready made. You just have to put in your numbers so you can save time and you can get accurate results. I call it the fashion pricing calculator spreadsheet. It's the exact one that I use. It has all the templates ready. All you just have to do is to put in your numbers according to what works for you. So it is editable. It is something that you can use over and over and over again. You get it once and it becomes yours for life. It gives you the accurate details. It's the exact one that I use. You just plug in your costs, your numbers, since you already know them. They include your labor cost, your tangibles like the fabric, the zipper, everything. Or you just put in your numbers and you're gonna give you the exact amount or the price range that you have to charge that particular client. It tells you exactly what to charge so you don't ever lose money again. I've put the link in the description so you can grab it and start using it today. Now, When a client says, sis, it's too much, I don't have that amount, don't panic. This is what you will do. You actually do not need to defend yourself. You just explain the value. Now, you want to try saying something like this. I totally understand my pricing feels premium because I use quality materials and I put time and effort into creating this masterpiece for you so you can look absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Putting hours into the custom craftsmanship so you feel confident and elegant in the dress. Now, if you say this and they still can't pay, they are not your clients. And that's okay. You're looking for those that appreciate your craftsmanship. They value your ends and they trust that you're going to make them look beautiful. They're not looking for bargains in people. I know this might actually make you feel like, oh, Isa, all these tips you're giving me can actually work for an outsider. What if the person is my auntie or the person is my cousin? How do I go about it? Don't worry, I got you covered. Now, if your client at that point is probably a cousin or her aunt, what you want to do is that for your business, for your fashion brand, for your clothing brand, you want to set aside something that I call the family discount package. Now, this is how it works. After you're done calculating the exact money you are using for all of the things you're making. Let's say the person wants a full pants, trouser, and probably a shirt and all of that. And you already finished calculating that. When you're done doing that, this is where the family discount package comes in. Okay. Now you want to set aside probably like a 10% or a 15% discount and you're gonna tell me it's the family discount. Okay, so any family, any cousin come in, you want to give them that discount, but you won't do it for free. It's not gonna be free because how do you want to pay your bills? I know you love them, you care for them, you want to do things for them, but how do you pay your bills? Okay, so this is basically it. It's quite simple, and yeah, if you are serious about building a brand, learning how to sew, the business of fashion designing, how to grow your brand as a fashion designer, how to position yourself as a fashion designer, you want to stick to this channel. You want to subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever I share any post. I'm sharing videos every week, so you don't want to miss any one of them. We're building this empire together, one stitch at a time. Go to the description and grab that pricing calculator and tell me in the comment, what was the most awkward pricing situation you've ever had? I'll be replying to as many as I can. Love you, dolls. See you in my next one. Bye.